Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and removing batteries so nothing moves while you work. Once done, inspect external panels and fasteners. Make a quick photo log of screw locations and wiring paths. You'll need a small Phillips, flathead, needle nose pliers, a multimeter, and contact cleaner ready. While you gather tools, check for obvious damage like cracked gears or loose connectors. This saves time and prevents reassembly errors. Make sure to work on a clear tray so small parts don't roll away and get lost. You'll next open the casing carefully, following your photos and keeping screws grouped by panel. Once inside, test the motor and switches with a multimeter, measure continuity and supply voltage, because electrical faults often mimic mechanical failure. Then examine drive gears, cams, and any belts. Clean out debris and old lubricant, and check for stripped teeth or warped parts. If a gear is damaged, swap in a matching replacement, or fabricate a temporary shim to restore alignment before testing movement manually to confirm smooth operation. You now reassemble in reverse order, applying a light, appropriate lubricant to gear interfaces only. Too much will attract dirt. Once closed, power up and calibrate motor speed and sensor alignment. Make small adjustments and run short trials to observe behavior. If timing or throw is off, reopen and tweak gear positioning or sensor mounts until consistent. If problems persist after swapping suspect mechanical parts, replace the control board or stepper driver, since intermittent electronics often cause recurring faults. One key troubleshooting tip is to isolate electrical from mechanical causes systematically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.